Step back to 1910 Delhi. This rare silent film shows the Qutub Complex in Mehrauli, wild, overgrown ruins under British rule. The towering Qutub Minar rises 73 metres, built in 1199 by Qutb-ud-Din Aibak to mark victory. Its fluted towers and balconies blend Persian and Indian styles. Nearby, India's first mosque, Quwwat-ul-Islam, uses pillars from destroyed temples. See the grand Alai Darwaza gateway from 1311, with true arches and lotus motifs. The ancient iron pillar stands rust-free after 1,500 years. Village life flows around, locals herding goats, drawing water, children playing in the shadows of history. Peaceful pastoral scenes contrast the majestic stones. Today, a UNESCO site, back then it was quiet and raw. This restored footage brings India's past alive. Like and subscribe for more.